It seems that Apple is finally ready to change the world of flexible devices. Rumor has it that the first folding iPhone, which is supposed to be called the iPhone Fold, will come out next year. But the timing seems off, especially since Samsung is planning to release the Galaxy Z Fold 8 in 2026. This first-generation device is entering a field that Samsung has controlled for years. There will be a lot of judging of the smallest things, and one big problem is already coming to light. The iPhone Fold could be as much as 20% more expensive than the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Based on how much money Apple usually makes on products and the state of the supply chain, the company might charge about $2,399. This is what early reports are saying. At the same time, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 from Samsung starts at $1,999 right now, and there are no strong signs that Samsung will raise the price in 2026. If these numbers hold true, Apple's foldable might land a lot higher on the price ladder. Okay, here is the most important question. With Samsung already offering a finished, proven experience, will people really pay that much more for a brand new first-gen foldable? People who really love Apple will definitely stand in line, but getting everyone else to do it might be the real struggle. It won't be easy to switch from Android, especially if you used a Samsung device. The Galaxy Z Fold may 8 still be the safer and cheaper choice for many people who like the idea of a folding. Rumors say that Samsung's improvements will include a bigger inner display with a more pleasing shape, a maximum brightness of 2,600 nits, and a larger battery with a capacity of almost 5,000 mAh. It will also likely run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which can be paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. In short, it was made to deal with anything right away. The camera upgrades may be small, but make a big difference. It is claimed that the software will finally make it possible for more intelligent multitasking and AI tools to make the foldable feel more like a small tablet and less like a phone with a stretched-out screen. In 2026, Samsung's foldable range will get more fun. Rumors say that next year there will be 3 new folding phones, not including the Trifold, which has not yet come out. A recent leak showed what are thought to be the model numbers of all 3 devices, but one of them is already very different from the others. This naming scheme isn't like Samsung's usual ones, so people are guessing. Is this the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Fan Edition, a cheaper take on the high-end, book-style fold? It becomes very interesting. The types SMF776, SMF976, and SMF971 are possibly the source of the leak. The first 2 are a great match for our expectations for the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Fold 8, but SMF971 is a little off. If Samsung was going to make a Flip 8 Fan Edition, it should have been called SMF771. That would have followed the trend. SMF971 is more like the Fold series, which suggests a fan version of Fold 8 instead of a Flip. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.